You're going to be opening up the brake lines to do this job, which means a couple of things. One, as always, you should be wearing safety glasses, and now's a good time to get some chemical-resistant gloves. Two, brake fluid is caustic to paint. Be very careful. If you get some on your paint, wash it with water immediately. To perform this work, you're going to need to safely raise and support the vehicle, and when you're done this work, you're going to need to completely bleed your brakes. Do not attempt to drive the vehicle without first bleeding the brakes. For additional assistance with all those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Follow the brake lines from the caliper and you will see where the other end connects to the brake line, green arrow, on the body. We are looking at the left side front wheel well. Look against the body by the electrical connector housing and you will see the brake line union that needs to be separated. Use a 17mm wrench to secure the top half of the union. Use an 11mm flared nut wrench to twist off the brake line fitting. The 17mm wrench on the top half will not rotate and you should hold it still. The 11mm flared nut wrench will rotate and you will need to spin the fitting until the threaded portion is totally removed from the upper half. These lines are going to be rusty, so you are probably going to have to remove some rust, corrosion, and road debris from around the fitting. Once you have threaded the lower fitting out, slide it downward in the line of the direction of the blue arrow. Remember where the U-shaped spring is, so you can keep it in the same position when installing the new brake line. With the fitting all the way down, lift up on the brake line and remove it from the holder. Use a 14mm flared nut wrench to unthread the line on the caliper. It is much easier to spin the line out of the threads on the caliper with the other end removed. When installing the new line, be sure to hand thread it at start so that you do not cross-thread it. Installation is the reverse of removal, and now you must fully bleed your brake system. Moving on to the rears, use a 14mm wrench to secure the lower portion of the line. Use an 11mm flared nut wrench to rotate the fitting on the top of the metal line. Again, these lines get corroded, so take your time. Use a 14mm flared nut wrench and loosen the line on the caliper, and then thread it out by hand. Installation is the reverse of removal, and again, you must bleed your brakes. Do not attempt to drive the vehicle without first bleeding your brakes. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.